हरिओम श्रीराम अंबज्ञा माय सेल्फ ऋषिकेश सिंह दिलीप सिंह सेलार कल्याणपूर्व उपासना केंद्र. एक विश्वास असावा पुरता करता हरता गुरु ऐसा. I will explain the grace of Sadguru by this line, always he giving on his childs. So we planned on 6 December and 7 December to fly with our guest to Thailand, Bangkok. So we raise our ticket request to the airlines on 30th November and 1st December. But from 2nd December, there was a major crush or major destroy happening in the reputed airlines of India. That's why we are not receiving tickets on time. Pan India to 48 people asking continuously for ticketing to us, and I was tremendous mental pressure. So on third night, my wife said, "Please speak with Bapu. He always help you. He always grace you." So that night, I requested Bapu, please, we have to receive all the tickets. Otherwise, these peoples are making too much noise, and it's also not look good. We are not giving tickets on time, and it was shocking. From 4th December and 5th December we start receiving all the 248 tickets. Immediately we distributed that to our guests, and in same time I have got a new responsibility that I have to fly from the Kolkata to Bangkok, Thailand, with the people of 18 members. So in the morning 6 December I fly from Mumbai to Kolkata, and when I reached at Kolkata around 2 p.m. and I noticed that there is a two major mistakes. Number one, the spelling mistake of one guest, and secondly there is a no name of infant child, which we earlier requested to airlines, please add this infant child name with his mother, but airlines didn't respond it. So 2 to 5 p.m. I finished my work, and after that I just pray Shri Guru Kshetram mantra, then Shiv Ganga Gauri Stotra, and ask Bapu, I have a three major problem in front of me right now. Number one, the spelling correction of my guest. Secondly, infant child name also need to be added. And third one is, please Bapu, flight should be on time, because if the flight is delayed, then what I can say to my guest, and in that 18 people, the four are the aged people and one is the infant child. So what I can say to the his mom and dad, if the flight is delayed, and if you see the track records, the international flight also too much delayed and cancelled. And before one day, the same flight, which is 12:30 in the night, it was flight on 5:30 in the morning, by the 5 hours delay. So we arrange a one guy to help in this two issue. He reached at Kolkata airport and at the airlines counter. When we saw and I reached at 7 p.m. on the 6th Kolkata airport, and I saw the situation. There are too much rush on that airlines counter, and everyone is shouting with their problems. But anyhow, at 7:30 p.m., that guy came to me and said, "Ki sir, the spelling is corrected, the infant child name is added, now you ready to fly." So I just discussed with him, can we fly on time? So he said, "Ki sir, if we see the track record of last 5 days, it won't be on time." I said, "Ki please pray for us, and I will pray for my pray to Sadguru to for a on time flight." So we checked in bags at 8 p.m. and go to the gate. From 8 to 10, I continuously chant Sadguru's mantra gajar, name. I listened some Bapu's song and everything, and I requested Bapu, please, flight should be on time. You solve my major two problems. Number one, name correction and infant child addition. You did that. You solve my problem. Now the third major problem, flight on time. Please solve this. And it was shocking. At 11:30, pilot and crew members are came, and they asking to board the flight, and the flight timing was 12:35, and on dot timing 12:36 we fly from Kolkata to Bangkok. It's all about with the grace of Sadguru. That 248 guests from Pan India, where they are reaching to the Bangkok, Thailand. They also their flight was also on time, because there are so many hubs like Lucknow, Delhi, Kolkata, Bangalore, Hyderabad, Chennai. all the flights are on times, but before 5 days that was the crunch and crush. But all of sudden Bapu solved the issue, and all 248 people, 248 guests fly very safely on time from their respective hubs to the Bangkok, Thailand. And that event was also superb happened. Thank you Bapu, thank you so much. Ambadnya.